I'm Ralph Nudi, president of Nudi Properties, brokered by eXp Realty and host of the hot new travel show Nudi on the Beach. In my previous videos, we talked about 2 of the 5 P's that we use to successfully get properties sold in any market: product and price. Today, we're going to discuss the 3rd P in that list: presentation. Presentation is critical in making your property stand out, not just in person, but in our marketing materials. A well-presented property not only attracts more buyers, but it also generates higher offers. At Nudi Properties, we understand that presentation is critical to achieving a successful sale, and we work closely with our clients to ensure that their property is presented in the best possible light. Let me give you an example of how presentation can make or break a sale. Take a look at this home. As you can see, the landscaping is overgrown, the exterior needs a fresh coat of paint, and there's clutter everywhere. These are all things that can turn off potential buyers and make it more difficult to sell. Now let's take a look at the same home with some improvements made to the presentation. The landscaping has been trimmed, the exterior has been painted, the clutter has been removed, and it is amazing how much of a difference these small changes can make. This home is now much more attractive to potential buyers and will likely generate higher offers. Of course, it's not just about making a property look pretty. It's about creating an emotional connection between the buyer and the property. We work with our clients to identify the unique features and selling points of their property and then highlight those features in the marketing materials. Take a look at this professionally staged home. The furniture is tastefully arranged, the decor is modern and inviting, and the lighting creates a warm and welcoming ambiance. All of these elements work together to create a compelling presentation that will attract potential buyers and generate higher offers. We know that every property is unique, and we work with our clients to create that feeling for buyers that will compel them when they see the property online to go and visit it. And when they do visit, we want that experience to motivate them to write an offer. Because of this, we treat every listing like a scalable multimedia production. We treat your property like a movie or television set, paying attention to every detail. Then we bring out the best in professional photography, video production, drone footage, and high-quality audio. We create engaging and entertaining walkthrough videos featuring agents on our team who are also polished and experienced media personalities. We also add 3D virtual tours and other additional professional materials to make sure potential buyers have every piece of information they need to decide to come to your property and write an offer. Whether it's staging the home, creating compelling marketing materials, or utilizing the latest technology, we use every tool at our disposal to create a presentation that will set your property apart from the competition. Our approach to presentation is just one part of our 5P strategy that has helped us to achieve remarkable results for our clients over the past 25 years. If you're ready to get your property sold and achieve the highest possible net proceeds, please give me a call or visit my website, nudiproperties.com, to learn more about how we can help. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get alerts when we release new videos such as our regular market updates. Also, follow us on Instagram at Nudi Properties. To watch the next video on promotion, look for the links in the video description. Thanks for tuning in. Get Nudi and get it sold.